So tell me what you're gonna do. Tell me what you're talking about.
I'm gonna show you 3 of my finger puppets I can do.
Finger puppets. Okay.
So this is a bird, this is a spider, and this is a owl. Ow, ow, ow!
It's an owl or a wolf?
A wolf.
Oh.
Ow,
What sound does the wolf make?
ow, ow, ow!
Oh, okay. It howls. Okay. What does the show me the bird again? Oh, what kind of bird is it?
Any bird, actually.
Does it flap its wings?
I think it's a owl.
Very cool. And where did you learn this? You just dreamed it up? Or is this something that you learned by watching YouTube all the time?
I actually did it in music class once, and I didn't really realize it was a finger puppet.
Oh, okay. A spider, a bird, and a wolf, huh?
Yeah.
Did you discover that? What did you discover about your hand?
During school, I figured out the wolf one.
That you could move your pinky?
Yeah. And one time when I was downstairs, I did the owl. But then...
Oh, that's an owl bird?
And then I covered it, but spreaded my fingers apart and made the spider.
Cool.
It's gonna get you.
Oh, no.
No, no, no.
Do you have a wiggly tooth?
Yeah.
Where is it?
Right here.
Oh. Want me to take it out for you?
No, it's not ready.
You sure?
I'm sure.
I can get a pair of pliers.
No. No.
All right.